CWA is working to build an infrastructure that can support a wide variety of different technologies. We obviously focus heavily on the Internet of Things and smart technologies, but that provides a lot of different opportunities. And not only do we need an infrastructure for trialing and demonstrating technologies, but we need auxiliary resources as well. We need to be able to connect them with stakeholders who have interest and usages for their technology. The data that's being gathered needs to be made actionable by organizations who will have an interest in that particular data. Really excited about this particular deployment because India has already worked with a partner of ours, the Metro Parks, local stakeholders here, using her technology for conservation purposes and invasive species and et cetera. And this is an opportunity for us to take those existing skill sets, the drone technology, existing technology, and utilize it for the work that CWA is doing on the lake.
My name is India Johnson. I am the founder and CEO of UA Vistas. So UA Vistas, we do drone services work. That includes work in education, so K through 12, STEM education, drones, and getting older teens and adults to their Part 107 drone license. And we also do work in conservation, so mapping, survey, with a focus on invasive species detection and tree disease detection.
We can image algal blooms, hopefully get some predictive analytics about their movement and their size. And then I also think that there's the potential to spin this out into an opportunity to assess maintenance needs on our buoys before sending out whole teams of people to do that maintenance if it's not necessary. Assess what might be going wrong with a particular sensor if we're seeing something offshore on our data feeds that seems to be an issue.
So today I was looking for a buoy out in the lake and imaging it. So getting pictures, getting video, probably going to come back out so we can maybe try and get a mapping of it, which is going to be very interesting. We're also looking at wetland health assessments. So can we fly an entire wetland, say 10, 15, 20 acres, and get an idea of how healthy it is? Can we check the water quality, check the water flow, check for invasive species, ID those species that are there, get square meters, so measure the square meters that these invasive species are taking up. I think CWA can be helpful to me in terms of research. So a lot of this is either new territory or is very much in the realm of academic. So getting out there, collecting the data, getting information about, what's wrong, ground truthing, and figuring out what works and what doesn't and what works best.
We're so excited to obviously talk to international innovators, help them bring their technology here and provide them a soft landing. But while we're also doing that, we need to be making sure that we're prioritizing Cleveland natives in this economic opportunity and for economic development. India has interfaced with the Cleveland Water Alliance through our Erie Hack programming. Previously, she works with a fellow partner of the Metro Parks and is now utilizing the testbed. And I think it's an excellent example of how this infrastructure can be a win for stakeholders, innovators, organizations, and the lake.